Here's the information that you need to get started fast with your new bookkeeper. All right, we run into these not issues, this process often when we are signing up new clients or when we're hiring new clients. And this is how we do it so that it happens quickly for you. This is the information that you need to have at hand to get started. Step one, we're going to need just to know where all of your bank accounts are. Financial institutions, just literally the name. You know, Chase, KeyBank, Bank of America, you know, whatever your banks are that you use, you're going to want to have that information relatively handy. Number two, credit cards. Okay, what institutions do you have credit cards at? Same thing again, Chase, Bank of America are two common ones, Amex. We're going to need to be able to know that, and really just like literally a list. Number three, do you have any outstanding loans or lines of credit, you know, that are not credit card companies? For example, we have a line of credit with the bank. Sometimes there's a balance on it, sometimes there's not. If we know that though, we can hook that into our system and we can see what that is. We can account for those things and then obviously help you account for them as well. Number four, do you own any vehicles in your business? If you do, that's great. We'll just need to know when you bought the vehicle, how much of the vehicle is used for business purposes, what percentage, and then we'll need to know when those vehicle expenses come in. But to start with, just a vehicle, when you bought it, and how much it's used for business. If you have any other equipment, we'd want to know that as well. For law firm owners, typically we won't have anything else. If your law firm owns your office, then we would want to know that as well. That's kind of it to get started. Once we get that information, what we will typically do, we also need to know, you know, what accounting software are you using? Pretty straightforward. That's pretty obvious. Also need to know what project management platform are you using. You know, if you're a law firm owner, it might be Clio, it might be like Rocket Lawyer. There's some other ones that people use, but that can help us understand where we need to pull information to reconcile a trust account, for example. And we're going to need to know the institution that your trust account's at. Often it's the same institution that your bank accounts are, but you never know. Once we get all that information, then what we'll do is we will put together really sort of a bespoke, a custom onboarding plan. We will send you some information about getting us bank statements fed, which means you don't have to go and pull your bank statements every month. They will just automatically come to us, which is a godsend for you and a godsend for us because you don't have to find them and we can get them and do the work for you. Okay. Your credit card feeds, all those kinds of things, we'll do the same thing. And then we can start doing your books. We can figure out your uncategorized transactions. We can put together your monthly P&Ls and you can win. That's the onboarding process in a nutshell, things you need to be ready for. There is a little bit of work to be done at the beginning, but the upside is tremendous. So get her done, get a bookkeeper, and let me know if you have questions. See ya.